Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today I have a beautiful car, 1967 Volkswagen Beetle. So iconic, huh Jeff?
Absolutely.
Yeah, what a pretty car. So tell us about it.
Well, that's color P351, coral red.
Coral red.
The car was completely redone in Las Vegas. Soup to nuts, and we actually put LED lighting in it so you can see better at night. Vintage luggage rack, new interior, tires, you name it, it's all in there.
So she's ready to roll, huh?
Fun ride.
I knew this was coral. It's like a peachy, you can really see it on this side. Very Californian. Love the two-tone wheels. Brand new tires. Luggage comes with it.
Gotta have the luggage.
So you'd be ready for that road trip?
That's it.
We got a 1500 in the back?
1600.
1600.
Right? 1600, yeah.
With the big motor.
Yeah.
Beautiful shape.
It moves
Jeez.
along nicely.
Beautiful.
All at home. New seat belts as well.
Sorry for the wind. Beautiful interior. Really complements the color. Showing 71,907. I start it up.
Yeah.
Man, it's so simple, right? It stick shifts like a chicken leg.
That's it.
It's so little. Man, gorgeous. You get a couple pieces from life for 1967.
There you go.
Very cool. Beautiful headliner.
Plenty of luggage space in the back for that trip across the country.
Might take you a little while to get there. Might need some more luggage. So iconic. Such an iconic car, you know? Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And thanks a lot for joining us today.